Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Alright, y'all, so in this video I am doing another LED bulb upgrade. This time I'm actually targeting the cargo lights and the reverse lights. Alright, so let's get into what you're going to need and then the reason why I want to actually upgrade. Alright guys, so like I said, I want to actually replace those cargo lights that are up there. So what we're going to need is a screwdriver. I'm going to cheat with my drill. Alright, and let me show you the actual bulbs that I actually bought from Amazon. I'll go ahead and post a link in the description below. Now I got one set, two sets. One is actually for the cargo lights, and one set's going to be for the actual reverse lights. Alright, so this is going to be a separate video. I don't have time for that right now, so let's go ahead and target the cargo lights. Now, I looked all through Amazon, and as you all know, there's a bunch of options. So I looked for the ones with the best review, best price, and so it came down to these. They had great reviews. It looks super Chinese, but if it has great reviews, something I can depend on, and it's fairly cheap, I want to go ahead and shoot for and actually give it a try. So very simple install, really 2 bulbs, a screwdriver and whatnot. But the big thing that I wanted to mention with these is that it provides 2200 lumens. So I think the stock is 400 or 900 lumens. All right, and so the reason why I went 2200 lumens for this is because if you use your truck bed and you have a cargo light, the brighter LEDs are going to help you operate in the night. And sometimes I see myself using my bed and it's like 3 a.m., 4 a.m., and you know, like the light can be a whole lot brighter from my bed, especially if there's no illumination and no help from the moon to help with the light. So I'm tired of that. I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade these bulbs. So there's options online. I saw 2200. I thought that would be great, and then 2200 also for the reverse lights, due to the fact that, you know, they only turn on when you're backing up, usually backing up very slow. Now I believe these same size bulbs can be used for the turn signals up front and the headlights, but I do not want to use 2200 lumens because that'd be crazy bright, especially if you're facing oncoming traffic and they see some bright ass bulbs pretty much over obnoxious signaling. So I think I'm just going to go with, like, say 1 or 1100 lumens for those front turn signals, but I'll get to that later. Let's get into installing this on the truck. 1 screw, 2 screw, sweet. Alright, so as we know, here's the 1 cargo light, here's the 2. Alright, so I turn that counterclockwise. And I'm going to do the same over here. Counterclockwise. Chill, chill, chill. Alright. 1 bulb. Put that off to the side. 2 bulb. Let's take out these super Chinese LEDs. And they're canvas free. Right there. Throw them back in. Let's do clockwise this time. Let me actually clean up this area before I throw it back on there. Guess that's the headliner. Alright, and the reason why I'm not really changing this bulb out is because when I brake, I don't want it to be like super bright compared to the tail light bulbs. I think that's pretty annoying. There it is right there. Unscrew. Get that started. 2 screw. Get that started just like love nuts. You don't want to throw it on there, use a drill, and then strip them. You dial this down. so let's actually check out and see how this is once I turn on the cargo lights. Yes! Damn, that looks good. See it from a different angle. Since you can't see the inside, the bed lights are actually LED. Before y'all watch another video, I encourage y'all to watch my emblem video. I'll go ahead and post the link in the top right here. Feel free to watch that and see what I've done in the past month or two. Let me know what y'all think about these cargo lights, if you use the same ones, different lumens. Now, if y'all also have any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know down below. And until next time, ciao.
Perfect.